Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another day for another video. So on this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make braids on natural hair using lush attachments in color gray. So as you can see, my sister's hair is pretty full and thick. So what I'm going to be doing on her hair first of all is to pack it out so it won't be obstructing my view when I'm making the hair. So this is going to be the first line I'm going to cut. She actually wanted like big box braids, so I actually gave it to her. So this is actually the first part of making the braids. This was the first one I made. Being that the hair is really thick, it was pretty hard catching everything in one big chunk, but I really tried my best and I hope it came out well. To be honest, making hair is not actually hard. It's just a series of a lot of crisscrossing, putting the hair there, where to use your fingers to hold it and stuff like that. It's not even hard. So I went ahead to use TPC natural leave-in conditioner because the hair was very tough. So I wanted something to help it get a little soft, and it was really hurting her. So this way it will actually ease the pain a little bit when I'm combing the hair. While I made the hair, my sister also helped me to complete it, just to make it go faster. Immediately after making the hair, I had to dip the hair into hot water and also trim it off camera. So this is the finished result of the hair. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much.